It's October 31st. It's 8:30 in the morning. We're going to wake Chad up. He had a rough day yesterday, Mr. Monster Buck. I let him sleep in now. He's such a baby. This kid would sleep till the end of the world. He's still sleeping. Wake up, buddy. You waking up? This kid's sleep forever. Oh, look at this thing. He's grunkle. Alright. Gonna do this the hard way. I couldn't hear you.
Wind is on. The wind is awesome. I've seen 2 deer so far.
It's so windy out. I can't believe we're in a tree stand in this wind. It's like 35-mile-an-hour winds right now.
See, I'm really smart one.
Watch this. The wind is powerful enough to blow my grunt call. That's how windy it is right now. Yeah, the deer are real skittish this morning. We've seen 3. That's it. 2 buck, 1 doe. They're real skittish. It's so windy out. But it's better than it's better than sitting at home, I guess.
Can't kill a deer being at home.
Yeah, can't kill a deer sitting at home. We got a southwest wind that's coming at us at like 30 miles an hour. I can't believe we're even in a tree. We should be in a blind.
Definitely should be.
I left my stand out in the woods. This row stand I wanted to use. It's been out in the woods for like, look. It's only been out. It's only been out here for like 2 weeks, and the squirrels just destroyed it, and the whole family of spiders. And now there's a whole family of spiders. They've been all over. Oh my god, that was him. No, it wasn't.
Are you sure?
Positive. Not a dick.
I thought you were screwing with me, man. Watch him, he's right there. Get that gun. because I was like,
Did you hear me say
yeah,
no?
I heard you. I didn't.
Dude, I didn't get a record. I was like,
That happened
big buck.
freaking quick. Oh my God.
Yeah, buddy. And I was thinking about having a deer coming.
Yeah, he's a nice buck.
Yeah.
Oh my God. 12:43. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Have him quit. Real quick.
Yeah, his front legs folded right up.
Yeah.
That was a very, very good shot.
Yeah.
That was a real good shot.
I snuck it right through those two branches, boy. I had to get him to stop. He was going to keep going right in there.
Dude, I didn't get any footage of him even coming in. It happened way too fast.
It happens.
I didn't even have time. I didn't even have time to get nervous or shake her.
No.
It was just all business. It was way too fast, and you thought I was kidding when I said big buck coming.
Yeah, because we were spooning these a couple times today.
All day long. All day long I've been messing with Chad. Big buck coming, big buck coming.
Oh,
I
yeah.
was telling the truth this time. Yeah,
Now it's your turn.
I know.
Alright. Give me that bow. Oh, both of them up. No, shimmy on the trees.
Are you kidding me, dude? You just dropped my bow at tree stand, you.
You did that. I've never done that ever. There's always a first time for everything, I guess, right?
Yeah, but the thing is, you didn't just do it to yours, you did it to two of them.